Now still working on the wrench wagon. Okay, what did I accomplish so far? Actually, I didn't. I figured out that this is not even original ignition switch. I just hooked it up for now. Everything works except wipers and the blowover. I did find why wipers don't work. That goes to the wipers. The starter signal wire goes to here, to this connector, just one wire. But in reality, what I need to find is ignition power on, and for some reason it doesn't go here. So I'm still kind of thinking of this, what's going on, because I need the starter and I need the ignition on to supply to the relay. As far as the gauges, looks like they all mechanical except the battery. There is nothing connected to the battery gauge. And that's the gauges: coolant temperature, oil. Wow. And I did finally I found the wire where you're supposed to apply the power to energize everything in the car. That's right here. This, I have no idea what this is, but at least this one, I hooked it up for a fuse and everything is on. I'm thinking to place the relays and all this electronic stuff in here. There is plenty of room. Now I'm trying to figure out what kind of cables I'm gonna need for the ground stuff. I think I'm gonna bolt the ground right here. Need a power cable for the alternator, and need to figure out if we're gonna keep this shit or get something good. And the way they put the starter on, it just, look what they did with the signal wire. La 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 on the exhaust manifold. I mean, I will have to take the starter down one way or the other way. Oh, it's not even tight. God damn motherfuckers. Why would you put something? I don't think they adjusted this starter, and honestly, if it was me, I would probably turn it upside, in a different direction. It's too close to the headers. It's gonna get cooked. I don't know what else I see here. I was trying to figure out if it's actually getting a good enough ground from the motor, the starter itself, and probably it does. Man, what the fuck is this? The clutch? Look how they replaced the bushings. Man, what a sloppy ass shit. It's loose. God damn it. Ah, man. Emergency cables. More questions than answers, obviously. days. Yeah. Alright.